Welcome. This video I'll show you how to add a QR code to Vistaprint. Okay, you can go ahead and add a QR code to your maybe business card or postcard, something like that. The only thing that you need to have is a link. Okay, now it could be a map right here. It could be your social media profile, or it could be your portfolio or some other things, downloadable file, PDF, something like that. Okay, you know what I mean. For example, we do have Google Maps right here open, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you. All right, for example, this area right here, I'm just going to tap and hold on it and then hit on share. All I have to do is just click on copy link. Now go ahead over to Vistaprint. In the left panel, you have QR codes. Right click and paste and click on add QR code. Okay, there you have it. And once someone scans it, they'll be automatically landed to this exact location. And the good thing is Google Maps will be opened as well. All right, so they can just easily click on get directions. Okay, so for example, a social media profile. Okay, maybe Facebook right here. I'm going to click on my profile right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on the top, like so. Click on the address bar, right click and hit on copy. Now Vistaprint right here, add in a new QR code, add QR code. As you can see, our QR code has been added as well. Okay, you can just easily add in some text right here at the top. Okay, add text, new text field, maybe Facebook right here at the top, and then another one, maybe map. All right, that is it. That's how you add a QR code here in Vistaprint. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.